Coronavirus continuing to spread and making its way into the Panhandle. Jackson County officials announcing its first confirmed case last night. Health officials from the area now saying that while this may be the first case, it probably won't be the last. News 13's Faith Graham tells us how the agencies across the county are responding.
On Thursday, the Jackson County Department of Health announced their first confirmed case of COVID-19, a 33-year-old male with a history of domestic and international travel. The patient recently traveling to Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, Texas, and Mexico.
When he became ill, he had isolated himself. He came in to see his healthcare provider, but at no time had to leave his vehicle.
Martin says the patient was tested for the virus and sent home to self-quarantine. His results positive.
He's been extremely cooperative with us and given us a lot of detailed information about where he's been and who he's been in contact with.
The patient remains in isolation. This first case not coming as a surprise to many.
No, we've been doing a number of testing, so we knew it would happen sooner or later.
The health department also actively testing.
Our DOH labs have tested 12 individuals. We've had 4 results negative, 1 positive, and 7 pending.
Jackson Hospital says they're running a tight ship.
At the current time, we're discouraging visitation, but if a family feels they would like a member here, we're encouraging just 1 visitor per patient.
While the hospital hasn't admitted anyone with the virus, they say they're prepared.
From a facility standpoint, we have 8 negative pressure rooms, as well as 18 ventilators that we could utilize if a case were to develop and they had the need for a ventilator.
But Platt explains that most cases of COVID-19 don't escalate to the point of needing those resources.
If they're not in distress at any type, they have the symptoms, but do not need further health care at this time, they're quarantined at their home.
The Board of County Commissioners also taking action, each commissioner being briefed individually on the case and assisting residents electronically.
So we are definitely trying to keep services available to the citizens as much as possible and just limit the public access, to prevent transmission.
For all up-to-date information on COVID-19 in Florida, download our My Panhandle mobile app. In Jackson County, Faith Graham, News 13, Panhandle Strong.